Salut a tutti, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a few minutes ago I filmed a review of this Louis Vuitton Bushy bag, and now this is the second thing I got from Vestiaire Collective today in this little package. So judging from the size, I mean, it's a scarf, okay? And not any scarf, because I tend to gravitate towards 4 luxury scarves, actually 3 winter scarves, and this silk version my significant other got me for our 10th anniversary. But yeah, I mainly wear this Chanel gray scarf, this Louis Vuitton scarf, and sometimes when I wear very colorful outfits, this Burberry scarf. And there was a major gap in my wardrobe and a major need for, and if you look at my outfit, you can guess the color. As always, I set the tone with my outfit, literally. I badly wanted a burgundy scarf. So you know how much I love Gucci and their Rosso Ancora collection. So I got this bag, these sneakers, and my most expensive boots so far this winter, and I love them. So yeah, I really wanted to get a burgundy scarf, so I started looking online, and what I found, I didn't find any actually. When I typed burgundy Gucci scarf on Google, I came across this beauty. I'm gonna open. I'm so excited. I get to do it live in front of the camera as well. I received it this morning, so it was listed as brand new, and the seller only sells scarves. So here it is. So, first reaction from the listing, I expected it to be bigger than what it is. Actually, it was listed as brand new, and I think it is brand new. What can I say? I'm adjusting the lighting as I go because it's getting darker and darker here. Hello, winter. And yeah, this may be the shortest video ever because I have very little time to film it. But anyway, okay, this is the scarf. I don't even know the name. Let me take my phone and check it. There was no name, I guess. I don't know. Let me check on Vestiaire Collective. It's secondhand, but it's brand new. And where is it? Yeah, it's actually, oh, there are no details. Okay, never worn with tag. Okay, so far so good. I saw the tag. 70% wool, 30% silk, made in Italy. And yeah, I didn't realize there were the dimensions. So 45 centimeter wide, and I can hear my neighbors. Hello. 185 centimeter long. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, or maybe there's not, I don't know. Or maybe it's, I don't know. But anyway, for some reason, from the pictures, I expected a bigger scarf. I don't know why. But what I'm interested in now is comparing the color with my favorite Gucci Rosso Ancora accessories. So let's do that. Before it's totally dark outside. No, it's not the same shade of burgundy, but not exactly. I mean, okay, these are different fabrics, but yeah, no, actually, it's not that bad. Let me try. No, it's a pretty similar shade of burgundy, but again, the lighting doesn't do the scarf any justice. I need to stay close to the camera, or I need to switch on the light. Anyways, I'm gonna try and switch on the light. All right, that's slightly better. Actually, this is a darker shade of burgundy. For the context, I have a burgundy bag from Gucci, and I have 3 different pairs of shoes from Gucci in Rosso Ancora. I didn't show you the slides previously, but yeah, what was missing was a scarf. So actually, yeah, it's a darker shade, or I don't know, it looks darker. The monogram looks like it's the same exact color. I don't know if you can tell. If I compare it with my boots now, but I mean, again, it's not shocking. It's a different shade of burgundy, but it's not that different, you know? And plus you have different textures. No, I like it, actually. And I like it even more because the monogram is exactly the same as the one on my Reweb sneakers. I mean, exactly the same, which I'm thrilled about. So yeah, no, we're good. We're good. The scarf looks brand new. So the pricing now, it retailed for $220 something, and I got it with a 10% discount, $210, plus the shipping. So way cheaper. Actually, half the price of a Gucci scarf on Gucci's website. So it's a no-brainer, and I don't mind buying a second-hand scarf, which is actually brand new. I never buy second-hand, but I love buying on second-hand platforms when the item is brand new. And so yeah, buying a scarf, especially when you're looking for a specific color you can't find at the moment. I mean, what's not to love? You get it for half the price. I'm gonna try it, but it's more like, you know, I feel that I'm gonna be able to wear this scarf for spring as well, because I don't know if it's really, I mean, that warm. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. And yeah, I have long hair. Sometimes when I wear a scarf like that, it looks like, you know, I have short hair, I have a bob. Yeah, it's beautiful. I will need to remove the tag. And again, see, they say brand new. Look at this. Because it's not my first luxury buy. They say brand new, but this, I mean, look at the tag. You could easily remove it, see, and wear the scarf. But I think it's brand new because, I mean, this scarf I've worn a ton, and you can tell. But actually it's almost a decade old, so that makes sense. But here, if the person has worn it, it's very, I mean, and here, talking about the tag, I'm gonna remove this, and my seam ripper will come in very handy. What else can I say about this scarf? I love the color, I love the fabric. I was kind of shocked at first because of how small it looked, but I love it. I think it's both warm and something more lightweight you can wear when it's not that cold. What I don't like, clearly, is this. Okay, this I feel is not very, and this is actually, because look at what happens after some time and after some use. Not the best. But I don't like fringes on scarves as well, so I guess that, you know, I'll make it work somehow. Yeah. What can I say? I think I'm gonna wear both tomorrow, a burgundy look with a light blue bag, why not? For this buy on Vestiaire Collective, I opted for direct shipping, so no authentication. And the packaging was not that great. But at the end of the day, who cares? I got my burgundy scarf now. I will need a hanger probably to hang it properly, because look at this. Look at this mess. I wore it this morning, by the way. Yeah, all in all, I'm pleased with my purchase. Although it did take quite some time actually, because I ordered this scarf the very same day I ordered my light blue bag, which is December the 22nd, and more than 2 weeks have elapsed since then. As I said, I'm gonna use it come spring as well, probably, or the start of spring at least. So yeah, I'm gonna use my seam ripper very carefully and place this tag. I mean, they say brand new, but if you're very careful about your clothes and about the way you wear your accessories, I mean, you could easily remove the tag, but I don't think this has been the case. Yeah, very pleased with this purchase. I think I'm gonna wear it a ton because I'm obsessed with burgundy, and I've been obsessed with this color for 2 years now. Yeah, and plus there are so many cool pairings you can do with so many colors. All right, and that's a wrap. That's a scarf. Actually, I hope you liked this video as much as I loved filming it for you as always. I hope you like my live reactions because they are live, and I'm reinforcing the reward neural pathway in that every time I film, I unbox a wonderful item. I see you in the next one. In the meantime, stay fabulous. Vi prego una buona giornata, baci e scialate vila.